Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the rolling hills of England, there lived a kind-hearted woman named Alina. She was well known throughout the village for her gentle nature, generous spirit, and unwavering love for her husband, William. William was an English teacher, passionate about sharing his love for the language with others. He often spent his days teaching the local children and adults how to read, write, and speak English fluently. One day, Despina, who shared his enthusiasm, noticed a shy young woman sitting at the back of the room. Her name was Anna, and she had recently. Anna and her husband moved to the village from a faraway place. They had come to England looking for a better life, but Anna found herself feeling lost and isolated in a country where she couldn't speak the language. As time passed, William noticed Anna's determination to learn English. Despite some challenges, she was dedicated and eager to improve her language skills. Impressed by her progress, William approached Anna one day after class and offered to give her some extra help outside of class. Anna was overjoyed by the offer and gladly accepted. William spent his evening tutoring Anna, patiently guiding her through the tricky parts of the English language. With each lesson, Anna grew more confident, and soon she was able to hold simple conversations with the other villagers. As Anna's English improved, so did her connection with William. They discovered a shared love for literature and spent hours discussing their favorite books and poems. William was amazed by Anna's progress and impressed by her passion for learning. Before long, William realized he had found not just a dedicated student, but a true friend. Kindred spirit found himself falling deeply in love with Anna. Her gentle nature, her intelligence, and her unwavering determination. As the love blossomed, William knew he wanted to spend the rest of his life with Anna. He proposed to her on a beautiful spring afternoon, under the shade of an ancient oak tree in the village square. With tears of joy in her eyes, Anna accepted, and they were married in a joyful ceremony surrounded by friends and family. From that day forward, Anna became not only William's wife but also his greatest supporter. Together, they continued to teach English to the villagers, driven by their shared love for the language. Inspire others to learn and grow. Over the years, William and Anna's love is a deep bond, built on their shared experiences and mutual respect. They travel the world together, exploring new cultures and languages, but always come back home to the village they love. As they grow old together, William and Anna remain a shining example of true love and partnership to the villagers. They weren't just the local English teacher and his wife, but symbols of hope, kindness, and the power of love to overcome every obstacle. And so in a small village in England, William and Anna lived happily ever after.